Guys, please support each other. Riding in Tandem, mega love shout out. A moment, I will visit your channel, Riding in Tandem. Always on the top. Riding in Tandem, from where are you? June 29, 2025. Riding in Tandem, is this your main channel? Yeah, we had enough food for tonight too. This night I am only going to eat, I think I have the watermelon. It's very hot and I don't have, I am not hungry, I should say. Battery low. I am battery low also. 14 people in the house. Make a love shout out everyone. Thank you so much for your support. Del, you back in the UK or still in the Philippines? They're now in the UK, Ruby. He said there in the chat. He started working already. Paul Denham, nakadikit na ako sa iyo, ha? I'm here in UK from the vlog. Ayan guys, nakailang minutes na ba tayo? I want to stay long here, Ruby. I think I will only stay here for 20 minutes, something like that. And then we will stop. Nice, we are supposed to have rain tomorrow. Oh, last week we had rain also, Ruby. But since Sunday we don't have, and it's very hot here now. It's very hot. So there you go. We will move so that you can see our buildings. I'm in Oxford working. Oh, take care, bro. Then Oxford, not Orford. I thought Oxford. Sorry, Orford. It's not familiar. It's not familiar with me the place, Brodel. Sorry. Riding in Tandem. Hello. Riding in Tandem. Ano mo ba yan? Main channel mo. Wala namang laman. Hindi mo na kita bibigyan ng ano ha, ng jacket. Kasi wala ka namang anong main channel mo, Riding in Tandem? So folk by the sea. Oh. Ruby, aren't you familiar also with Orford? 6 visitors in the house. May love shout out. Ayan. Now you see our rooftop.